Hello, today we're going to talk about T4s and how to get them to your employees. So start off at the QuickBooks homepage, I guess, and scroll down the left-hand side and you'll see taxes. Click that. Now you'll see payroll tax. Guess what? Click that. Now you might come across this payment screen, so just click filings and then click year-end forms. Now, what's going to open up is a selection of different types of T4s. So we're going to choose an employee from the drop down here. This is the employee who's looking for their T4. We're going to go over to the right hand side here and click employee copy of T4. Now this one says it's already been sent in Workforce, the secure system. So we're going to click view instead. That's going to bring up a PDF copy of the T4, and you can print that or mail it or hand it to them if you want. You're not supposed to email these because they do have social insurance numbers on them. Just remember that. So to have a look at all your T4s for all your staff, just don't choose a name, and you can see here QuickBooks will tell you who's already got their T4 in the Workforce system. That's workforce.intuit.com. But there will always be someone who doesn't have it for whatever reason. And if you're looking for a shortcut directly here, you can go to app/payrolltax/filings. So we're going back to our year-end forms. We're going to choose this employee who, for whatever reason, didn't get their T4. And you can see here it says this employee doesn't have access to their T4 online. So there's a link there that says give them access. Okay, we click that. It opens up this QuickBooks bloggy thing and tells you all about, obviously it's a common problem, really what it is. And they say go to payroll and employees. Really what it is we're missing an email address. So let's click on payroll and employees. Again, /app/employees is the shortcut to this screen. So go ahead and search for your employee by name in the search bar and then click on their profile when it pops up. Now over on the right hand side here you can see there's a little link that says send invite. So click on that and you'll get this screen that says, would you like to send an invite to this employee? So I highly recommend you copy and paste their email. This gives them secure, confidential access. So make sure you got the right email and invite them. We do have another video showing employees how to access that workforce.intuit.com system to get their employee stuff anytime they want. That's T4s, payslips, any records they need. It's a free service from Intuit, so we might as well use it.